Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Anna and Mark's English Stories. I'm Anna, and today we're going to talk about something you do every day, your daily routine.
That's right. We'll take you through a typical day from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed, all in English.
So, if you want to learn how to talk about your morning, your work, your meals, and your evening, stay with us.
And remember, you can repeat after us. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Ready?
Let's go. Okay, let's start with the morning. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m.
And I wake up a little later, at 7:30.
So, I get out of bed and go straight to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and comb my hair.
Oh, and don't forget, some people say I shower, others say I bathe. Both are correct.
Yes. After that, I get dressed and make breakfast. I usually have eggs, toast, and coffee.
Coffee. I can't start my day without it.
So, let's review some morning words. Repeat after me. Wake up. Stand up. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast.
Perfect. You already look great.
So, I usually check my phone, read messages, and plan my day before I leave the house.
That's a good idea. Sometimes I listen to music while I get ready.
Cool. That's a great way to start the day in a good mood. Now let's talk about what happens next. After breakfast, I go to work.
And I go to school. Or for some people, I go to university.
Right. You could say I drive to work, I take the bus, or I walk to work.
For me, I usually walk. It takes about 15 minutes.
That's great exercise. I take the subway. It's faster for me. When I get home, I usually check my emails and start working.
And I have meetings, I make calls, and sometimes I teach online.
So many things. Let's repeat some key phrases. Go to work. Go to school. Take the bus. Drive to work. Start working. Check email.
You're doing great.
Okay, let's move on to the afternoon. At 12 o'clock, it's lunchtime.
I usually have lunch with my coworkers.
And I have lunch with my friends. After lunch, I sometimes take a short walk or have coffee.
Yes, I usually rest for a few minutes or watch a short video on YouTube.
Cool. Then I'm back to work until 5.
And when I'm done, I finish work at 5 or I leave work at 5.
Exactly. After that, I go home. On the way home, I like to listen to podcasts or music.
That's a great way to practice English, too.
Now it's evening. Time to relax.
Yes. When I get home, I shower, change clothes, and have dinner.
I like to cook something simple, pasta, soup, or salad.
Same here. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book.
Sometimes I study English at night. That's my favorite time to learn new words.
And sometimes I just play games or call my friends.
So, before I go to bed, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and relax for a few minutes.
And finally, I go to bed around 10 or 11 p.m.
Let's repeat some nighttime expressions. Eat dinner. Watch TV. Read a book. Go to bed. Sleep.
Perfect. You've completed your daily routine in English.
Wow, it was a whole day. From waking up to going to bed, now you can describe your entire day in English.
Exactly. And remember, the best way to learn is to use these phrases every day.
So, what's your daily routine like? Tell us in the comments below.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who also wants to learn English.
See you next time on Anna and Mark's English Stories.